Infant CPR. I surveyed the scene. The scene is safe. I found baby lying on the crib, presumed unconscious. I'm Mary Joy Johnson, a trained first aider. Can I help your baby? Chick Babinski. No movement. Your baby is unconscious. Please activate medical assistance as I perform choking maneuver. Pick up the baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open mouth. Object found. Your baby is unconscious. Your baby is unconscious. Air bounces back. Amo na nagali. Hindi sila.